Now, corresponding to question, the synchronous machine has full pitch coil. Having coil span, full pitch coil means, first of all make the diagram. Okay, that is 180 electrical. Okay, what about coil span? Coil full pitch, first of all full pitch, this be equal to here full pitch coil, this be equal to having coil span. What about full pitch means 180 electrical, 180 degree electrical. Clear? Of 12 slot coil span of 12 slot, it means that is 12 slot is putting here like this one. Okay, now suppose that if one slot angle is gamma, it means gamma 12 slot, 12 into gamma, this be equal to 180 electrical, or you can say that 12 slot covered, this be equal to 180 electrical. So you can say that 12 into gamma, this be equal to 180. What about gamma? That is 15 degree. It is clear? It means that is 15 degree. Now another way, for eliminating third harmonic, if eliminating third harmonic, it means P3 this be equal to cos 3 gamma by 2, this be equal to 0. It means it is also written as pi by 2. What about gamma? Pi by 3, that is 60 degree. Now that is coding angle. What about coding angle means like this one, that is 60 degree. Pi minus rho. What about coil span? After third harmonic is eliminating, coil span, that is pi minus rho. That is, you can say that 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. 120 means 8 into 15 degree. 8 into gamma, that is 8 slot. Putting here. Clear? In this duration, after third harmonic is eliminating, remaining slot, that is 8 slot, putting here. Okay, our motto. What about coil span? That is 120 after, and number of slot 8 slot into 15 degree. Now corresponding to question, the eliminating nth harmonic. First of all, our motto, corresponding to question, that is for the eliminating nth harmonic from EMF generated in the phase of three-phase alternator, determine coil span. Our motto, determine coil span. Okay, first of all, what about pitch factor for nth harmonic? Now pitch factor for nth harmonic, okay, harmonic. I know that Kp and this be equal to cos n rho by 2. To eliminate, first of all, what about induced MF according to short pitch coil? ESP for nth harmonic, that is root 2 pi n f into phi m kp n. Okay, to eliminating nth harmonic. Now right now to eliminate nth harmonic, it means kp n this be equal to 0, cos n rho by 2 this be equal to cos pi by 2. What about rho? That is pi by n. Chording angle this be equal to pi by n. What about coil span? Coil span this be equal to, that is pi minus pi by n. It is written as pi, or you right now 1 minus 1 by n into pi. Okay, this is the final answer. Now another motto, what is the physical significance of this? Okay, now that is fundamental, Now what about third harmonic, like this one. Suppose that we have considered for a later example, let to eliminate third harmonic, to eliminate third harmonic. Okay, harmonic means kp3 this be equal to cos 3 rho by 2, this be equal to cos pi by 2. It means rho this be equal to pi by 3, that is 60 degree. Okay, that is 60 degree. What about coil span? Coil span this be equal to pi minus rho, that is 120, Okay, means what is the physical significance? First of all, what about third harmonic? If this is the fundamental, what about third harmonic? Third harmonic like this one and this one. Okay, this 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, that is third harmonic. This is third harmonic. Okay, now suppose that one coil is putting here A, and what about second? According to coil span 120, here A dash, it is 120 degree, putting here coil span 120 degree, that's why if A is here and A dash like this one. What about induced EMF? Induced EMF in coil span, ESP in third, EA3 minus EA3 dash, that is 0. Why? Because of induced EMF in A coil, magnitude and direction both in A dash both are same. E of A3 this be equal to E of A3 dash, that's why induced EMF is 0. Induced EMF is 0 in the coil. Induced EMF in the coil in third harmonic, that is 0. It is clear what the physical significance of nth harmonic is eliminated. If you consider third harmonic, if you consider fifth harmonic, if you consider seventh harmonics, all harmonic corresponding to induced EMF is 0. Why? It is clear why is 0, because of magnitude and direction of induced EMF in the coil is same, that's why voltage difference between both conductor is 0. Okay, Now make it. Now eliminating nth harmonic from the EMF generating in the phase of three-phase alternating Coding angle should be our motto: determine Coding angle. Coding angle if nth harmonic is eliminating. If nth harmonic is eliminating, what about pitch factor? Kpn this equal to cos. If nth harmonic is eliminating, it means cos of n rho by 2 this equal to 0, that is cos pi by 2. It means, what about rho? Pi by n. N means that is full pitch. That is full pitch. So 1 by n into full pitch. Which one is correct? B is the correct option. Now our motto: focus on coil span to eliminate nth harmonic. I know that full pitch factor Kp n this equal to cos n rho by 2. To eliminate nth harmonic, it means cos n rho by 2 this equal to 0. It means cos pi by 2. What about rho? Pi by n. What about coil span? Coil span is written as pi minus pi by n. So n minus 1 upon n into pi. I know that n minus 1 upon n. Pi means full pitch. Which one is correct? A is the correct option. Now our motto: eliminating fifth harmonic. Our motto: determine the coil span in the terms of full pitch or pitch fraction. What about pitch fraction? Pitch fraction is equal to, basically, that is coil span divided by full pitch. Full pitch, our motto in fifth harmonic. You know that Kp5 pitch factor Kp for fifth harmonic, that is cos 5 rho by 2. Cos 5, if eliminating fifth harmonic, that is 0. What about rho? That is pi by 5. What about coil span? Coil span is written as pi minus rho. It means pi minus pi by 5, that is 4 pi by 5. Okay, this is also written as 4 pi by 5 divided by pi, that is 4 pi by 4 divided by 5. A is the correct option. Make it.